Hello friends, how are you today? Welcome to the Arkesh Gadhvi show, and this is episode 7, and today in this video we will discuss how to achieve your goals. So friends, the first point is to start to see a clear mental image of outcome. You have to see like you already achieved it, right? Number 2 is announce it publicly. Because when you announce your goals publicly, you will have pressure to work towards your goals. Because no one likes to look like a failure. Number 3 is to set a deadline. Because if you don't set a deadline, you will never work seriously toward your goal. So set a deadline, because deadline will be a good motivator for you. Number 4 is form a habit. Because if you do several things for several days, it will become your habit to achieve your goals. So you have to form a habit to work towards your goals. And number 5 is have passion for that. You have set your goal, you have set a deadline, but if you are not passionate about your goals, you will not achieve your goals. So have passion for your goals. Do what you want to achieve. Every day you have to do something to achieve your goals, friends. So friends, at the end, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a good day.